Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Sign into your Google account if you haven't because Docs requires it. Next, open a modern browser. Chrome is ideal, but Edge or Firefox work fine. Update if needed. Once done, navigate to Google Docs from the Apps grid or type Docs. Google, and choose whether to use it in the browser or install the progressive web app. Installing the PWA gives an app-like window and offline support, which I'll show how to enable next. Now focus on the middle steps. If you prefer an app, click the browser's install icon, 3 dots or plus in the address bar, and choose Install to create a desktop shortcut. If staying in browser, go to Settings offline and toggle Create, Open, and edit recent files while offline. Chrome will prompt to install the offline extension if needed. Also set file locations and microphone/camera permissions for collaboration, so sharing and voice typing work without surprises. Finish by creating a new document and testing. Type, use headings, insert images, then close and reopen to confirm autosave and sync to drive. Make sure offline edits sync when you reconnect and verify your drive storage isn't full. If something breaks, like Docs failing to load or sync, clear the browser cache, restart the browser, and reinstall the PWA if used. If problems persist, sign out and back into Google. That often resets permissions and resolves lingering sync errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.